Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the MongoDB. Today we are going to learn how to connect to the MongoDB with MongoEngine, Python and the Flask. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the full-fledged code which I have written right now. So don't save and close it. So here you can see the code. So here we have, first of all we have to define, first of all you have to install the Mongo engine. So how you can install it? So there is a command that is pip install Mongo engine, right? Then you have to pass the connect param. So this is the define a simple document schema. So whatever document you have, whether it's to be users, customers, post or tags, whatever, so you have to define the schema. Okay, because without defining the schema it's very difficult, like running the raw queries of the MongoDB. So Mongo engine is that one where you can define the schema and use the models and do the cal- do the like create operations, CRUD operations, right? Full-fledged logic, that ORM you can say that, right? Otherwise we have to write the queries to get the data or fetch the data or update the data, right? So now we have the connection string to connect. So where we have the DB host port, so there are two parameters that is missing which I don't require, that is username and the password. So you have, then you have make a call over here. Okay, next we have the main function that create a new user. So here we have the new user we can create, right? So user one dot save, so here you need to pass like this name and the age, so it will create the user. So if you want to fetch the users, okay, so objects name Alice, so here we are going to search it via like this. And next one that update a user with the age and print the age is this one. And the last one that is delete, I'm not going to do the delete part. Okay, so here we go with this one, I'm going to comment this, right? So let's try to check it out that the connection is done, user is created or not. Let's do some another changes over here. So I'm going to make it here like Rajnikant over here and save that one. And query users, so where name is equal to, I will put it like this. Okay, so it will found me the all the users with name and their age. Okay, and update the user. So besides this I want to update with this name. Okay, let's have a look on that one. And the last that is delete, which we have removed one. So first important thing, that is a connection and the schema, right? So let's go and check. So here we have the terminal and let's try to run. Let me clear this. Okay, so here you can see that Rajnikant found the user most recent calls like my Mongo in your last number 13 26 user age dot age 31 attribute error, none object tab has a attribute age. Let's go and check. Here we have the collections, let's refresh this. And here we have the MyDB collections, we have the users. Okay, so here we have, you can see the name and the age is added. Okay, here you can see the next one, what they are trying to say, insertion part is done, because that means the user is means that the tape like the database that we are passing over here, that is connected and the schema is already built. Okay, that's the main thing. Next we have this part is done, like if I put like this one, like Rajnikant 234 and make it all the things are to be deleted. Let's see what will happen. Only insertion part is we are doing. Okay, let's make it, and the age, let's try to run. And here you can see that I have removed the log also. So let's go and check, refresh this one. So here you can see that second record is inserted with 223. That means connection with the Mongo engine with MongoDB is done. User creation done. Now we are going to do with the CRUD REST API with the Mongo engine. So you will very much clear on that how we are going to do that. Okay. So those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.